Boom, 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 bang, bang, bing. It's your boy Jamaican J with another GTA video. Yeah, and today we're gonna be checking out. Today's video is about checking out the highest building in Los Santos, man. Yeah, this is the highest building, man. This is a new mod, and let me give you a preview of what this building is like. As you can see, it's very tall, man. It's very tall. So we're gonna be checking it. We're gonna be going to the top of it, checking it out, see what it, you know what I'm saying? See what it's about. Yeah. 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. If you're a first time viewer, do remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for more content. Do remember to follow me on TikTok, Jamaican J underscore dash on the X, also on Twitter, dash on the X underscore Jamaican J4. Yeah. Yeah, man. So let's check it out. See what it's. Let's see if we could get to the top of this place. Yeah, man. So this thing is cool. You could drive up there. Drive my little Subaru. Okay. I think you drive up there this way. And the cars are falling out of the sky. Come on, man. What the hell?
Shithead.
So,
You got off lucky, homie.
it's a long way up there. Come on, Subaru. Let's get up to the top, baby. Let's see how far we at now. Okay. I like this mod, man. It brings a nice scenery to the skyline. This place is so high. Damn. We're never gonna reach. Yeah, so we're gonna check out the top, and then I could take a helicopter and we could circle the building so you could see like the whole, get a good view of the building itself. Let's just get up here first and check out the top, then we could check out the outside and so on. So on and so on and so on. Yo, man. Stop. They need to stop spawning these cars in front of me. See that? They just spawn them right as you don't see them coming. Oh, we've been driving for a while.
Hey, you just turned this into a buck.
You see that? They just fall from the sky right in front of you, man. It's crazy. Okay, so they got a parking lot up here. Oh, look, man. Look how they fucked my car up. Let me fix it. There we go. They got a parking lot up here. All right, let's go up this some. Let's go higher. Man. We're not even at the top yet, and we're already higher than most of the buildings.
Piece of shit.
I like how they got the trees right here. Yeah, man. So this tower is called the Jantsuu Tower. I forgot to mention that in the opening. This is a Jantsuu Tower, man. You know what I'm saying? Big up the guy who made this mod, man. The Jantsuu Tower. So you got, yes. So this is what it's like up top, on top of the building. Let's get out and look. Got a water slide. Oh, man, that's a long walk up them water slides. All right, let's go check out over here. Damn, this. Oh shit, they got a skateboard ramp over there. You could ride a jet ski up here. Oh, I ain't jumping off that ramp. Let's take a look over here. Wow, man. This is the highest, really the highest building, man. It's higher than every building. What you doing with your knife, man? Put it up. Wow. Yeah, man. This is dope. This is dope. We'll do some music videos up here, man. All right, let's go look over here. See what's over here. Pizza. Pizza store open, man? Nope. We could go up there and get a helicopter. Okay, so we could get a chopper up there. All right, let's go check out on top of this water slide. Oh, what's here? Oh, wonder what water slides. Oh, you could go to water slides down here. Let me see. I know they got more water slides down here. Is that doodle? Oh, I was about to say that look like doodle. Yeah, this is a dope building, man. Okay, so this must be where the water slides are. Oh, okay. And you climb up this. Oh, okay. Let's check it out. Yeah, I'll call you guys when I get up there. Leave your number. It's gonna take a while to get up this. Wow. So it's even higher now. You know what I'm saying? I'm even way higher now. Okay, Frank, I know you're tired, bro. Oh, his muscle's gonna be super. Okay, we reach. I could look through that. Stop playing. Let me see if I could see something. Zoom. The Hollywood sign over there. Now this telescope is good, yo. Okay, let me see if I could. The fun one, the crazy one. I wonder if I could really slide on this bitch. Let me try.
Home. Ooh.
Oh shit. Oh man, now I turned into Franklin. I was trying to glide on that thing. So the reason why I turned to Franklin is because I got add-on ped. So when you die, you automatically turn to Franklin. But it don't matter who is yeah. So I was trying to get down the water slide. That shit ain't work. Oh, you know what it is? I think I gotta put on the ragdoll mod for the water slides. Yeah, man, but it's nice up here. It's cool. It's nice. All right, let's take a chopper and check the outside of this building, so we could see how massive this building really is. Oh, they got a plank. Hold up. They got is that a plank right there? Can I get over there? Yo, bro, they got a plank so you could parachute from up here, man. Look at this. Ain't this cool? There's a plank right here. So you could walk the plank. Why is my phone ringing, man? Thought I turned it off. Yeah, you could walk the plank and jump off right here. That's cool. As you guys could see how high this building is. Alright, let's take the chopper. I like how they got the streets and everything, man. It looked like a city up here. Alright, let's check this building out now. I think I'm gonna keep this building in the game, man. I'm not gonna you could see the road right there. Jantsuu Tower, let me see. Jantsuu Tower. The highest water slide in Los Santos. Yeah, man, this tower is big, man. Let me fly around it. So y'all could see how massive it is. Let me fly from this angle. Yeah, that's it. See how massive it is? And those are that building used to be the highest building over there. As you could see the road right there going up. Yeah, man, this building make the game give the game a new look. Yeah, let's land down here. And you could drive, just like you could drive, they got the through traffic right there too. Same way, right beside the exit. They got Clock U Bell right here. Got everything down here same way. I'm just looking at the base of the building, see what's down here. Yeah, man, but it's massive, man. It's a massive building. I don't know, man. That don't look safe to me, though, man. That road going up there. I'll be scared as fuck to drive on that road. Okay. Water slide and everything. It's like a little city, man. It's like a little city up here. I'm definitely gonna keep this building in my game. Word up. Let me land it right back here. I didn't even land it properly. Alright, man, let's get out of here, bro. All I need up here is a club. Somebody need to put a club up here, man. Or a stage. They got a little gym right here. I mean, you could put anything up here, man. You could even put a bus terminal up here. What that say? Something about Xbox for free. Let me see what that sign say. As you could see, they have traffic up here, man. Moving traffic. Alright, let me see. Buy now and you might get. What's that? Playbox, most powerful gaming console. Modern kill streak. Playbox. Okay. PlayStation and Xbox together. And they came up with Playbox. Alright, let's try this thing, man. You know, we gotta try this jump right here. I don't know who the hell would put that ramp right there. Oh shit. Oh shit. You gonna make it? You gonna make it? Oh man, I guess he did make it. Yeah, that was that was a high jump. Yeah, man. That is a high building, bro. Yeah, man. So, you know what? Let me get off of here. Yeah, I got to do one of my videos with Michael, man. I know this. All my videos is with Franklin. I got to do it one with Michael. Michael, my boy. All right. Yeah, man. But this is where we're gonna leave the video, man. You know what I'm saying? I was just only trying to feature this new building so y'all guys could see it. To me, it's incredible, man. I like it. I'm gonna keep it in my game. Word. Yeah, what's going on here? Yeah, man. Oh, what happened to you, Michael, man? You got cut in your face and all that shit. Yeah, man, but this is where we're gonna leave the video. 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers, man. Welcome, first time viewers. Do remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for more content. Thanks for checking out the, let me see, the Jantsuu building with me. Word, if I get it right. The Jantsuu building, man. Fabulous mad. Word up. Do remember to follow me on TikTok, Jamaican J underscore dash under X, also on Twitter, dash under X underscore Jamaican J4. 21 gun salute again. Thanks for watching. God bless. One.